The energy equation E equals mc squared defines the relationship between mass and energy. Here, E represents energy, m is mass, and c is the speed of light. This relationship shows that mass can be transformed into energy, a pivotal concept in physics. E equals mc2 is crucial for understanding nuclear energy and astrophysics. It illustrates how massive stars convert mass into energy, powering the universe. This concept has led to innovations in energy production. The equation consists of three core components: energy, E, mass, m, and the speed of light, c. Mass can be converted to energy in nuclear reactions, as seen in the sun and atomic bombs. The speed of light is a key factor in converting mass to energy, illustrating the profound relationship. More mass results in greater energy, as shown by the equation. Nuclear reactions demonstrate mass converted into energy, exemplified by atomic bombs and stars. Understanding this mechanism has spurred innovations in energy technologies and global policies on energy management.